Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's make some dinner, guys. If you love vegetable soup and you want to know how to make the most delicious vegetable soup, stay tuned.
I'm going in with this stockfish. I'm going in with crayfish. I'm going to add some Maggi.
We are not about to waste time. This is a very quick and easy vegetable soup.
So guys, I've gone ahead to clean my fish nicely. I'm going to add it to the pot.
As you can see, my proteins are well cooked. They are very soft like we like it in this house. I've gone ahead to add oil before this time. So I'm going to add my vegetables.
I'm going to add my water leaf, guys. So this is called the frying method.
It's another beautiful way to make your edikaikon soup.
But you can add more peppers if you care. Add some more onions.
Just go ahead and start adding everything you need to add.
Add more oil if you like. This is vegetable soup. It takes a lot of oil. I'm going to add some more crayfish. Add some more if you like.
Mix everything in right now so you can just see how soft my water leaf are looking already. I'm going to go in with my vegetable so I can just get all of this ready.
I'm going to add some bonga fish. I like to grind it already. I'm going to add some black peppers, Cameroon pepper. I'm going to add some more oil.
So guys, if you're wondering what vegetable I use to make this edikaikon soup, I use spinach, kale, and some collard green. You can do this, okay?
I'm going to add some onion.
Vegetables are very good for you, and this is one of our favorite soup. So I try to make it the way that we will enjoy it. I hope you are loving this video. If you are, give it a massive thumbs up.
Delicious edikaikon soup. I have all type of meat here. I have beef tripe. I have muscle, beef muscle. We call it aquarano. And yeah, edikaikon soup. It's ready. It's ready. Look at that. Our soup is ready, guys. Look at this deliciousness. Look at all of those beautifuls. This soup is so good. This is the edikaikon soup. I hope you try it. It's time to eat, guys. We are ready to eat. I hope you give this a try.
Thank you so much for watching till this moment, and if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? You're going to get a lot of tips of how to run a good kitchen from Gucci's Kitchen. Guys, look at that. When you run this for your family, you know what happens now. Your hubby will kiss you.
This is really good.
Gucci's team have set the table. Oh, come and eat. Oh, come and eat this deliciousness with us. Oh, this is our dinner, guys. The soup is souping. Can your edikaikon soup ever? Can your soup ever? Come on, Gucci's team. Come on, friends and loved ones. Come and eat. Please leave me your comment in the comment section.
Guys, here is our soup. Look at that deliciousness. My husband will eat in a minute. It's piping hot. Yeah.
I really crave for eba, gari, so I'm going to be eating with gari What would you be pairing this deliciousness with? What would you like to eat this edikaikon soup with? Tell me, semolina, pounded yam, wheat, swallow, eba, or akpu? Gucci say, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Drop what you eat this with on that comment section. Ciao. Please don't forget to like. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. Follow me on Instagram.